Robotic Wares Private Limited is the last company we have in the product showcase today. Started in the year 2009 by 3 engineers fresh out of college, Robotic Wares is one of the fastest growing technology solutions company. As the company moves towards its goal of being a world-class field mobility solution provider, its focus would remain on technology innovations, happy customers and happy employees. Robotic Wares.
Thank you, ma'am. That's okay, I'll speak from here. Good evening, everyone. I see half of the faces down and the other half going down in the next 5 minutes, so I'll keep my presentation very short. I'm sure that's the last one, so just the last effort from all of you. So what we guys do, Fara is the brand name. I am the co-founder, CEO of the company. The Fara, the word says Doordrashti. So we are helping companies to do their dispatch and deliveries on time. So the problem which we see around is, there's a request coming from the customers. The complete e-commerce is working on the instant or impulse feel. So if I order it same time, can I be delivered on the same time? Or how could the companies build up their courier processes, delivery processes to ensure that the customer gets the best experience? In terms of websites, in terms of the online checking things, they've built it up. So the next the next vertical which probably evolve e-commerce will be the courier and the logistics part. So the way we do it is, we have the managers see all the jobs on the map, see their executives plan it on a real time and not on a daily basis. So planning is happening at every second. And then at the end of the day, what you get is happy customers, the total reports, analytics out for it. I'll just skip the trends part. So the basic problems which we have seen and we are trying to solve, first is how do you get the live information from the field worker? He's attempting the job or not. There have been immense scenarios in the industry where customer complains that I've been attempted a delivery. I've not been attempted a delivery. And the delivery executive says, sir, I've traveled there. How do you go transparent there? I personally remember I took an offer from Jabong.com saying that the person has not come to my house, give me a discount or I'll put it on social media. And they were happy to give it to me. I'm sure a few of you would have also tried. Because they want to ensure that the brand is not taken into the social media and said bad about. Then there are other problems is how do you locate, he's traveling or not, how do you optimize the work? So the way logistic industry has been working today is purely on that field workforce, mind and effort. I'll give you a practical scenario of any warehouse that works, including the top brands to any e-commerce company. So all the parcels are dumped into the room. The delivery boy comes, he chooses his 20-30 parcels on his whims and fancies that these are the 30 I will do the delivery today. That gets uploaded on the system and he moves away with those 30 parcels. At the midnight or evening, he comes back saying that these are the 15 I've done deliveries. These 15s I could not do because of so and so reasons. This is the cash collected, now I'm going back to my house. This is the traditional approach which has been working. The way we have changed it is, this is the workflow which we have designed. So manager on the map is seeing where the executives are, where the jobs are. So he's doing the optimization and runtime routing to ensure that the minimum travel is happening. Then the job list comes on the phone of the biker on a real time that this is a high priority job, you need to deliver it higher. There's a customer signature which happens on the phone. There's a feedback which we are capturing there so that the live feedback goes to the CRM team and they can speak to you that, sir, you didn't like the services. Is there something we can do for you? And there's a digital POD around that. The complete thing gets updated on the manager screen in a real time with the proof of delivery transaction details. And then there are analytics piece which we have built over it. So in terms of the benefits which we have seen in the companies, so the number of job attempts have increased by 25%. The successful attempts have increased. I'm not sure how many of you are Jabong customers. Recently, there was a campaign where people ordering from Delhi NCR, they'll get a SMS link saying that you could track the delivery executive who's coming to you. So this is not to take his privacy to your control, but then to give you idea that how much time he would be taking to reach to you so that you be pre-planned. Because one of the worst thing we want is we are sitting in a meeting and delivery executive is calling us again and again and saying, sir, I'm Ram Prasad, I'm waiting with your consignment, what do I do? We mess up and we say, dude, I want to cancel the parcel, I don't want it. Which gets returned back and it's a free service, so it's an additional cost for the e-commerce or a logistic company. So in terms of our customers, Local Banaya, Pepperfry, Ekstop, Ecom Express, Jabong is few of our customers. Then we recently got global, there's Namshi.com, which is in UAE we signed up with. So they're also an e-commerce company which is into delivery. So we're precisely working at this point in e-commerce and logistic companies but then going a little vertical with food delivery or service delivery companies. Three of us started up. I'm here. Gaurav and Gautam couldn't come today. In terms of our journey, we started up in 2009, but this is not the idea which comes up. So 2009, we started on a bootstrap model with no cash. So what we understood was education is the only way where you can create cash and you do not require money to make money. So we started delivering workshops and training programs. We did it for 1.5 years. And rest we can talk personally. Thank you.